In the previous video, we had discussed about the formulas of sine 2a and sine a in the form of a by 2 also, and in normal sine a form. All right, and now we're going to discuss about the formula for cosine of 2a. All right, so cosine of 2a I can write like cosine of a plus a, and the formula of let me tell you here, cosine of a plus b is cos a cos b, that's cosine of a cosine of b, minus sine of a times sine of b. All right, so the same process I'm going to use here. Now in this case we have a and b, but here this is a and this b will be also a. All right, so it will be now cosine of a, right, cosine of a again, and minus sine of a, and b is also a, so that's why it will be sine of a. So this is going to be now cos square a, all right, minus sine square a. So this is our formula for cos 2a. All right, and we can write one a lot of type of formula from this. All right, so it is now here cos 2a, all right, and it is cosine square of a minus sine square of a. And you know what, we had learned one formula, that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So in the place of sine square theta I can write 1 minus cos square theta. So in the place of this sine square theta, what I can write 1 minus cos square theta. It's not theta, it's a actually. All right, so when I'll open the bracket, it will be cos square a minus 1, and this minus will multiply this minus, so it will be plus cos square of a. So it's going to be now 2 cos square of a minus 1. This is another formula for cosine of such a bad handwriting, cosine of 2a. All right, this is our another formula. Now we can even write in the form of sine. All right, so we have now again say cosine of 2a, and cosine of 2a is actually cos square a minus sine square a. All right, it's cos square a minus sine square a. In the same formula, from the same formula, if I'll keep this sine cos square one side, and if I'll send sine square another side, it will be cos square theta will be 1 minus sine square theta. So I'm going to replace this cos square by this 1 minus sine square theta, 1 minus sine square, not theta, it's a. All right, a minus sine square a. So now our value is going to be cosine of 2a equals to 1 minus 2 sine square a. All right, this is our third formula. All right, and even we can convert this into the form of tan. So let's try to convert that into the form of tan. All right, so we have cosine of 2a, and that we have learned it is cos square a minus sine square a. All right, what about if I'm going to divide this by 1? No problem. All right, and everybody know that 1 can be written as cos square a plus sine square a. All right, and what about if I'm now going to divide this numerator as well as denominator here, all right, this numerator as well as this denominator by cosine square of a. So let's see what happens. All right, cosine square of a divided by cosine square of a, and again minus sine square of a divided by cosine square of a. The same thing I'm going to do in denominator. So again cosine square of a divided by cosine square of a, and then plus sine square of a divided by sine square of a. So here I can cancel few things. This and this will cancel up, I'll get 1. This and this will cancel up, and I'll get 1. So it's going to be now 1 minus sine square over cos square, that's yes tan square a divided by now again 1 plus tan square a. Right, so this is again cosine of 2a. So this is our fourth formula. Right, so there are many ways of writing formulas. Cos 2a, 1 minus tan square a over 1 plus tan square a. So depending on the situations, what you need to use, depending on the situation, you may have to convert sometime into the tan form, or sometime you may have to convert into the sine form, sometime you may have to convert into the cosine form, or sometime you may have to convert it to the both form. All right, so this way the formula for the cosine of twice of a. All right, and same thing if you go for the half angle, then it will be cos A will be equal with now if you want to write this into the form of cosine and sine, this will be simple. Cosine square A by 2 minus sine square A by 2. If you want to write in the cos form, then it will be 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. If you want to write in the sine form, it will be 1 minus sine square A by 2. And if you want to write in this tan form, then it will be 1 minus tan square A by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A by 2. So whatever you feel easy, alright, and whatever you feel but actually you need to remember this all formula, keep in mind that, alright. You're not excused that you'll forget this formula. You have to remember these all formulas, and you need to apply in many different ways while proving the questions, or while solving the expressions, or while finding out the values of angles like x or unknown terms. So it really has a very great rules, and the practice of these things we're going to do later after learning all the formulas. So we learned here cosine of twice of a, and now in the next video we're going to learn the formula for the tan 2a, alright, tangent of 2a. What's the formula? Alright, so see you in the next video. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.